happy to see you back in my channel. So in this video, I would like to share one of my Sri Lankan recipe. It's a clay pot fish gravy. Hope you like it. Watch the video till the end. So let's get into the video. Into a dish, I'm adding half large onion and half large tomato sliced, and then add half a teaspoon of garlic paste, half a teaspoon of turmeric paste or goraka, and then goes half a teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, and 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, and then add half a teaspoon of pepper and pinch of turmeric powder. And then add 2 teaspoons of fish masala, mix all together till the spices coated well. And then keep aside. Heat a clay pot and then add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is heated up, add half teaspoon of mustard seeds, let the seeds splatter. Once it's done, add half teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, and then add fresh curry leaves and green chilies. You can add more if you have. And then goes spice mix, cook the spices in the oil till the raw smell goes. After a few times, you can see the spices are well cooked. And then add enough water. The water measurements, it's depend on how much you want the gravy. Wait till the water boils. For more authentic Sri Lankan recipes, please subscribe to my channel. And now you can see the water is getting boiled and I'm adding the fish. Here I have taken the sea bass. You can use any of your choice. Add the fish pieces into the gravy. Give a mild mix, if not the fish will get smashed. Just coat the fish with the gravy very well. If you are a bachelor living far away from your home and craving for some Sri Lankan authentic recipes, you can definitely give a try on this. I hope you would like it. Once the gravy started boiling, close the lid and cook for about 10 minutes. And here it is, the Sri Lankan authentic clay pot fish gravy is perfectly done. So give a try on this recipe and give me your suggestions in the comment box. For more such videos, please subscribe to my channel and if you like the video, share with your friends. I will catch you in the next video. Till then, take care.